In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust the page zoom settings in Microsoft Edge. If you're looking to tailor the size of your web pages for easier reading or navigation, you've come to the right place. Adjusting the page zoom can help create a more comfortable browsing experience, whether you're trying to fit more on your screen or make text and images larger and easier to read. Let's get started by opening Microsoft Edge. Once you have the browser up and running, direct your gaze to the top right corner of the window. You will notice three horizontal dots stacked neatly together. These dots are your gateway to the browser's menu options, so go ahead and click on them. Doing this will reveal a drop-down menu filled with various settings and options related to your browser experience. From this drop-down menu, your next destination is the Settings option. Click on Settings to open a new window or tab where all customization options for your browser are located. In this new section, you'll find a list of categories on the left-hand side designed to guide you through the different settings available. Now, let's focus on the category titled Appearance. It should be clearly accessible among the options. Clicking on Appearance will take you to a dedicated page where you can tweak how Microsoft Edge looks and feels on your screen. Here, you have room to experiment and find what is most visually appealing and functional for you. While you explore the appearance settings, keep an eye out for a subheading labeled Other Appearance Settings. Directly below this label, you will find an option for Page Zoom. And this is precisely where you'd want to make adjustments to enhance your browsing experience. To change the zoom level, look to the right of the Page Zoom label. You'll see a drop-down menu. Clicking this will present you with various percentages to choose from. These percentages represent the different scales at which your web pages can be displayed. For instance, setting it at 100% will keep your pages at their original size, while selecting 125% will enlarge the content, making everything appear larger and clearer. Conversely, choosing 75% will shrink the content, allowing more to fit on your screen at once. Once you've determined the zoom level that suits your needs, simply select it from the drop-down menu, and voila! Your new settings will be applied automatically, and you'll notice the change immediately as you browse the web. Adjusting the zoom level is just one of the many ways to personalize your browsing experience, making it as comfortable and efficient as possible. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully customized your page zoom settings in Microsoft Edge, enhancing your browsing experience to suit your personal preferences. Whether for accessibility needs or viewing convenience, altering your page zoom is a straightforward process that can make a big difference. Thanks for watching and enjoy browsing with your newly adjusted